Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are going to start Unit 1. Its title is 4 Things. Today's lecture 1, my fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver this lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today's lecture 1 under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about common and proper noun. We'll cover page number 9 and 10 of your book. Before this, in your English for grade 4, I have taught you about common and proper noun. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And in your geography, Unit 5, you have also learned names of continents, names of mountains, names of oceans, and many more things. So all this vocabulary of grade 4 is going to help you for today's lecture. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to learn about classify nouns as common and proper nouns, names of people, pets, places, mountains, lakes, rivers, etc. This is our today's essay. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah An-Nisa, verse 42, and mention when the angels said, O Maryam, indeed Allah has chosen you and purified you and chosen you above the women of the world. Yes, my dear students, you see, this beautiful verse is in regard of Hazrat Maryam alayhi salam, who is mother of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. And you know, Maryam is the only female name mentioned in Quran, and she was chosen above the women of the words. So this word women is a common noun and Maryam is a proper noun. So you already have studied in grade 4 about common and proper nouns. So tell me, what are the nouns and what do you know about common and proper nouns? Pause the video and answer these questions to your teacher. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered correctly. Everything around us that we can see, hold, touch or feel has a name, and that is called a noun. And this noun refers to a person, place or thing, and thing includes a lot of things we already know. And when a noun refers to a person in general, that is called a common noun, man. But when I say Qaid-e-Azam, it refers to a specific person. That's why it's called proper noun. This we already know. So let's see what does your book says about it. Open your book on page number 9 under the title of grammar. It's mentioned here common and proper nouns. Nouns are divided into common and proper nouns. Common nouns are words used for general people, animal, places, or things. The examples are actor, lawyer, baby, baker, nurse, cook, policeman, dentist, singer, doctor, teacher. Now you see, my dear children, all these words refers generally. When I say baker, it means any baker who bakes. So that's why it's a common noun. Animal names are also common nouns. For example, cat, goose, cow, hen, dog, horse, dolphin, mouse, duck, parrot, sheep, goat. I believe you know many more names of animals. So all the name of animals are common noun. General words for places are common nouns. Cave, airport, market, mountain, playground, mosque, hill, school, hospital, hotel, mall, zoo, all are common names. Names of common things are also common nouns. Bag, box, bread, van, chair, cup, kite, ladder, lamp, picture, radio, desk. All this stuff which is around you has a name, and that is common name. Okay, like a general things around you have the common names. What is proper noun? Proper nouns are names used for particular, specific people, places, or things. They always begin with a capital letter. So whenever we write a particular name for a person, place, or thing, we will use a capital letter. Its examples are Qaid-e-Azam, Minar-e-Pakistan, Lahore, Wasim Akram, Ali, China. You see, all these names are proper noun. That's why we have written them by using capital letters. So the names of the countries and their citizens are also proper nouns. And what citizen means? The person who live in that particular country. For example, Pakistan, name of a country, and the people who live in Pakistan are called Pakistani. They are Pakistani. So, Pakistan, a proper noun written with capital P, and Pakistani also written with capital P. India, Indian, Iran, Iranian, Thailand, Thai, Malaysia, Malay, China, Chinese. So, all are proper nouns. The days of the week and months of the year are proper nouns. And what are the months of the year? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All the names of months are proper noun. Likewise, the name of the days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all are proper nouns. The names of festivals, some special events and holidays are also proper nouns. Eid al-Fitr, Father's Day, Eid al-Adha, Labor Day, Independence Day, Christmas, all are the names of different festivals or special events or holidays. So all are written with capital letters and all are proper nouns. So after understanding common and proper noun, it's time for an activity. What we are supposed to do? Teacher will divide class into two groups. Group 1, Group 2. Now teacher will make two columns on board. One will be for common nouns, second for proper nouns. Teacher will call the student from Group 1 first. The child will come. He will write a common noun and teacher will call the child from Group 2. The child from Group 2 will write proper noun of the same category, right? Like this, common noun, proper noun. For example, the first child comes and writes lake. Okay, it's a common noun, we know. The child who comes from Group 2 has to write name of a lake, a proper noun, like Lake Mohundend, a beautiful lake in Pakistan. Likewise, next time teacher will call child from Group 2 first. He or she will write common noun like mountain, and the child from Group 1 will have to write proper noun like Nanga Parbat. And make sure, children, whenever you are writing proper noun, you have to write it with capital letters. So teacher will keep giving points. Let's see who wins. So pause the video and enjoy this beautiful activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? I hope you have given many challenges to each other, like mentioning name of rivers, seas, oceans, which are already in your vocabulary. So you thoroughly enjoyed doing this activity, isn't it? It's so, that's good. So let's practice it from your book. Open your book on page number 10. What we are supposed to do, underline the proper noun in the following sentences. You have to read carefully. There are the sentences. You will read and you will underline proper nouns. So pause the video and complete this exercise. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So next is, now here a little more what we are supposed to do. You will underline common nouns and you will encircle proper nouns. So here there is a mixed blend, there are common, proper noun both. So you will underline common noun and circle proper noun. Pause the video and just do it. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So let's give you a homework. What you are supposed to do, write a paragraph consisting of 5 to 6 lines, 6 sentences, and you have to use common and proper nouns both in paragraph. I taught you paragraph writing, so you have to follow those rules. Okay, and it's a worksheet. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly teacher give a printed worksheet to my students. And students, what you are supposed to do, here is a word bank. You have to separate common nouns into this category and proper noun over here. So what we have learned today, we learned that everything around us that we can see, hold, touch or feel has a name, and that is called a noun. Nouns can be classified into common and proper nouns. And then we learned that common nouns are words used for general people, animals, places, and things. And we also learned that proper nouns are names of particular people, places, or things. They always start with a capital letter. And then we classified common and proper nouns. We classified common and proper nouns. In this way, we achieved our today's SLO, that was to classify nouns as common and proper nouns, names of people, pets, places, mountains, lakes, rivers, etc. Are we done with it? Yes, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing, keep learning, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.